Bengisachaza ukuthi kube yileso simo ukuthi singathathi izinto ngokusheshsha ngoba sithi sifuna ukwenza nje bese senza ngokungafanele sibeke sesenza ukuthi awube sekulungile zonke izinto ebesifuna ukuzilungisa okungukuthi ke ama financial constraints ebesinawo abanye ke bazokhumbula ukuthi ngoba sekuJuly nje cishe kukhona okunye okusilungele ngifisa ukuthi I feel deeply honored that when we approached His Royal Highness and requested the opportunity to launch the Prince Mangosuthu Ultra Marathon here, he graciously accepted. It is a great privilege for us to stand here to receive the blessings from His late Excellency UMntwana wakwa Phindangene, that this marathon is named after him. Ngiyafisa ukusho ukuthi ngingakaqhubeki ekseni Inkosi uMntwana wakwa Phindangene, uMntwana lo okhona usimisile wathi ukuza kweni la ngaphakathi kule ndlu nje le kade sikuyo ubuku ukuthi sinesibusiso esikhulu ngoba even yena lapha kade sikhona mangabe seyifuna ukwenza okubalekile enhlizweni yakhe uyeye kule yandlo kade sikuyo ngeke ke niyazi ukuthi besikuphi kodwa khona indle singene kuyona. Ngifisa ukusho ukuthi namhlanje nje ekseni isibusiso sesitholile ukuthi size lapha senze ngalendlela esenze ngayo. I also remember in 2019 when we requested permission to name this marathon after His late Excellency uMntwana wakwa Phindangene did not hesitate. He wholeheartedly gave us his blessing. Lezi sengikhuluma ngazo ukuthi namhlanje sitholile. Today it is a great honor to return to his home to officially launch the 8th edition of the Prince Mangosuthu Ultra Marathon. Your Royal Highness, I stand here with immense pride because the Prince Mangosuthu Ultra Marathon has grown tremendously. It has become an internationally recognized event, attracting runners not only from across South Africa, but also from other countries around the world. This was confirmed by Zimbabwean-born athlete Mike Fokoroni, who praised the Prince Mangosuthu Ultra Marathon for providing a rare platform to test their fitness. If you succeed in finishing well in this marathon, you stand a good chance of doing well in the Comrades Marathon, I quote.